No one.
Ah! Help!
Is he not supposed to do that?
God.
Fucking dickhead! If you ever break that mirror, yeah, fix it before fucking going for a drive so you can see what's to the left of you if you happen to be in the right lane, yeah?
Okay.
Don't be a dick.
Okay.
Fucking knobend.
2 learners in front of us. See how well they put away. Oh, bless her. Oh, it's okay.
Oh, you were just saying, I wonder how well they're going to do. And the one with the battered car does the worst. Were you surprised?
Yeah, I know.
Or not have the rain. And that's only up the road from the airport. Oh no, it absolutely emptied. Whoa! What's he at?
Cut. Cunt.
Telling me your stories.
Oh, you're lucky. You're lucky. I was gonna just about to beep as well. Alex, you just clap again.
1 clap. 2 clap. 3 clap. Hang on. Keep at it.
No, that's enough.
Keep at it.
No.
4 claps. Whoa!
Dickhead! I love broken cars.
Look at that!
What?
This is like rainbow effect car.
Wow!
I want one.
Wow!
Oh, that's another stupid place in its park.
You tell them, biatch. You tell them. Oh, that's another stupid place to park. We're on a roundabout. That's not park there, is it?
It is parked there.
Are you being serious? Why would you not park there, Alexi? You do.
Because it's on a corner.
Why would you not park on a corner? Explain to me. Explain to me why you would not park on a corner. This is one of the questions you would get in your exam. So why would you not park on a corner? TikTok.
Because the car's from the other way, you can't see what's coming around the corner.
What did we do as we passed that car?
We had to go to the other side of the road.
We had to what?
Go to the other side of the road.
And why did you not go to the other side of the road on the corner?
Because the cars come in, cars can turn and come straight at you.
Because it's stupid, is the answer. Stupid. Say it with me.
It's
It's
stupid.
Stupid.
It's stupid.
Thank you. Yeah, don't park on corners.
Oh, look at that fluffy dog.
Huh?
Why is the trailer's number plate, completely different to the car number plate? Isn't it supposed to be the same?
Nah.
Well, they aren't now.
No, the trailer belongs to someone else.
Well, clearly, it must do. Yeah, but surely then he shouldn't be allowed to be towing it.
Nope. Correct. Clap.
James, check your DMs.
Get out of my DMs, Alex.
I'm sliding in.
James, you get put on a list for saying things like that. Whoa! Well, you fucking idiot!
Save that clip,
I
Benji.
am, I'm gonna fucking save it. What prick?
Right. And then exit right.
Oh, sorry.
Truck there.
Pulled out and crashed.
Alexa just pulling out into traffic without looking.
I don't know how to turn and look.
I'm taking the piss out of Alex.
Yeah. As it was when he told you to shut up, wasn't it?
Maybe. Oh fuck. Oh James, I'm fucking stuck. I can't pull away.
You're fucking knobber.
I'm literally, I'm on this fucking hill. I've got the wrong gear. I didn't go down fast enough.
It's not having it. It's not having it.
Shit. Can't even go back.
Can you go to the left?
Oh, you hear truck sounds?
Dickhead, you fucking knobhead. Now I'm actually stuck. Well
It's now
done,
the
you
time to
fucking
make the auto
knob.
save.
Alex, this is your fault.
Yeah, of course it is. Fuck you, Benji.
What's he going backwards for? Just get the fucking way. Is that a woman driver? Yes, it is. Thank you very much.